Hello guys, so share ko tong scenario na to is yung antenna setup niya is yung quality is naka 0, power is 93. So ibig sabihin nito is yung 93 meaning okay yung connection niya from this wire papuntang LNB yung nasa satellite dish. So okay kasi naka 93%. Ang kaso yung quality. So meaning yung alignment. Pero ngayon is okay naman yung alignment kasi hindi man siya nagalaw, and ang sitwasyon lang ngayon is makulimlim. So parang uulan or makapal yung ulap sa taas. Kaya naging quality 0 to. So to troubleshoot talaga kung to make sure na yung alignment is okay, is mas maganda yung kung okay ang panahon, like yung maaraw or sunny day. Kasi kung mag troubleshoot ka ng parang may bagyo or makapal ang ulap is parang useless kasi hindi mo sure kung kasi natakpan yung satellite. Right. Thank you.